Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get and use Pandabuy coupons and codes. First of all, open up the Panda app. After opening up the app, the first thing you will see is the home interface. You can go into your account from the bottom bar. So tap to go into your account from where you will find orders, warehouse, rehearsal, and parcels. Also, you can add products in favorites or add them into cart. Look for a section on the website dedicated to promotions, discounts, or coupons. This might be labeled as deals, promotions, offers, or something similar. If you found a coupon code in here, tap on it and you will find the available, used, and expired coupons from here. After applying it, the discount should be reflected in your order total. To redeem a coupon, you have to enter the redeem code and tap to convert it. You can get coupon codes by joining the Pandabuy Discord server. If you find a coupon code, copy it. During the checkout process on Pandabuy's website, there should be a field where you can enter the code. Keep in mind that the availability and the process for obtaining and using coupons and codes may vary depending on the specific policies and promotions of Pandabuy. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.